Are you thinking about selling your home and wondering how to get top dollar without unnecessary stress or costly mistakes? Well, allow me to be direct with you. Not all representation is equal, and when someone competes primarily on discount, they're usually cutting something else too, and oftentimes it's services like marketing, preparation, negotiation strategy, or exposure and experience, just to name a few. And obviously this is going to be important to you because when you sell a home, you're not just putting a sign in the yard, you're positioning a major financial asset in a competitive marketplace. I'm John King with Berkshire Hathaway, Towne Realty, and in this video, we're talking about something simple that many homeowners often overlook, and that's curb appeal. Buyers often decide how they feel about your home before they even walk through the front door. If the exterior feels neglected, cluttered, or tired, many won't even schedule a showing. And that's not just emotion, that's buyer psychology. Here are a few strategic improvements that consistently produce strong returns. Freshen up the mulch in your flower beds. Intentional pops of color with flowers or seasonal plants also helps. Trimmed landscaping so that the home is fully visible from the street. If the exterior paint feels dated, you don't always have to repaint the entire house. Often repainting the front door and trim alone dramatically modernizes the appearance at a fraction of the cost. Before we do professional photos and marketing week work, you need to power wash everything. The entire exterior along with the sidewalks, driveways, as this enhances the tone and contrast, making the images feel sharper and more polished. Ensure all the exterior lighting works. A well-lit home at dusk communicates safety, care, and pride of ownership. And don't forget to deep clean your home. You're about to have guests who aren't coming for dinner and drinks, but are coming with a big check to potentially buy your home. A deep cleaned home shows pride and care, and cared for homes feel safer to buy. These are not hacks, they're disciplined preparation steps, and when buyers see a home that feels maintained and intentional, they write stronger offers. When they see deferred upkeep, they subtract that in their minds. Serious money decisions deserve serious preparation. If you're preparing to sell in Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, or anywhere throughout Hampton Roads, and you want your property positioned correctly from day one, reach out and we'll build a customized roadmap around your specific home and your goals. I'm John King, and I'll see you around.